When you imagine the future, what do you see? I see a blank canvas. I see possibility. I see a world where the energy we use comes from clean resources. Resources that power our lives and bring our cities, streets, and homes to life. I imagine a world that gets from point A to point B using a whole lot less of the big C. A place where everyone has the freedom to choose. Can you imagine this? We can. And if you're asking yourself, why is Edison designing a path for a new, clean future? The answer is simple. Because we have the big ideas that help leave smaller footprints. Because powering clean vehicles with cleaner energy is just, well, cleaner. This is our home. And it's time we start taking better care of it. And not because we have to. We're doing it because we are Edison. And because a cleaner, healthier planet is a better planet for everyone. Imagine just how cool that would be.